So today I'm talking about Bellafill, and we'll go over a few related topics. So first of all, what is Bellafill? Bellafill is a filler that is used to replace volume that we lose in our face as we age. And unfortunately, this happens to all of us. It can be very confusing now because there are so many fillers on the market. So I'll try to give you a brief synopsis of all the different types and how to make that decision. So the largest number of fillers include Juvederm, Restylane, Belotero. These are all fillers made of hyaluronic acid, and there are different variations of each of those. They're all great. They're all quite similar with some subtle differences, and they can be used anywhere on the face, but they last about 6 to 12 months. That's the only drawback with those fillers. Next, you get into a product like Radiesse, which lasts a little bit longer, is a calcium-based filler. That too can be used for most parts of the face, but I wouldn't use that for lips, for example. Next one is Sculptra in terms of longevity. That's the next step up. That is typically going to last about 2 years. So it's a great use of filler for areas like cheeks where we want a lot of volume. But then finally we get to Bellafill. That is the longest lasting of all of these filler choices. It's been FDA approved and shown to last at least 5 years. I say at least because there's actually a recent 10-year study that shows it'll not only last that long, but it's been safe over that whole time period for about 1,500 patients that were included in that study. So that's the distinction between Bellafill and other fillers. They all do similar things. This one's just going to last a lot longer for